destinations: Cancun, Cabo San Lucas, Puerto Vallarta, Bali, Dubai, Las Vegas, and Pukhet. 5 nights in Cancun, featuring white sandy beaches, crystal clear water, deluxe accommodations, incredible restaurants and bars, plus endless local activities. 4 nights in Cabo San Lucas, on the breathtaking Baja Peninsula. 4-star luxury with stunning views of the famous Cabo Arch and memorable Cabo excursions. 5 nights in Puerto Vallarta, a beachfront paradise located in the heart of the city, featuring spacious suites close to great shopping and the best local adventures. 7 nights in Bali. It's rated as one of the best destinations in the world, with a magical blend of nature activities, culinary delights, and beautiful accommodations. 4 nights in Dubai, where the sun's always shining, ensuring endless fun on every vacation. An unparalleled coastline, beautiful desert, and magnificent cityscapes. 3 nights in Las Vegas, one of the most popular destinations in the country, with thrilling nightlife, amazing restaurants, and show-stopping entertainment. 7 nights in Pukhet. Travelers leave their cares behind on this island oasis, featuring flawless service, pristine beaches, and world-class cuisine. These top destinations are customer favorites.